ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజీలో చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్గా చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకున్న కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
The next question is 14th one. The question is like this. The question is like this. When he has given June 2015, important one, carries how many marks? 4 marks. If A is this, B is this, C is this and D is this are the vertices of a quadrilateral, then find the area of the quadrilateral. Quadrilateral, let's suppose this is the quadrilateral. Let's suppose I got like this, some quadrilateral. How many points he has given? A, B, C and D. What he asked? Find the area of the quadrilateral. So, what I will do is, I will divide this diagram into 2 parts like this, like this. Now, if you see properly, if you see this properly, this is one of the triangle, this is one of the triangle, that is ACD is one of the triangle. As we already know that how to find the area of the triangle. So, we will be using the area of the triangle formula to find this ACD, that is the shaded region. In the same way, we will be finding this one, another triangle. Which one? ABC is another triangle. So, we will be finding the areas of these 2 triangles and we will add up, that gives us the area of the quadrilateral. So, what is that A point he has given? A is, so he has given points are A minus 5 comma 7, B minus 4 comma 5, C minus 1 comma minus 6, D 4 comma 5. So, first we are finding area of triangle. Which triangle? I will find ACD first, ACD. So, we already know the formula of mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Substituting in this the points of A, C, D, A, C and D, A, C and D. This one, A is how much? I am writing here. What is A? Minus 5 comma 7. C is how much? Minus 1 comma minus 6. D is 4 comma 5. So, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is x3 y3. Okay. Substituting in the formula. So, of mod x1 minus 5 into y2, what is this? Is x1 y1, this is x2. Without confusion I am writing here, no worries. So, తప్పు పోకుండా అలా రాసుకుంటాం మంచిది. అది x1 is minus 5, y2, what is y2? Minus 6, minus y3, what is y3? 5 plus x2, what is x2? Minus 1 into y3, what is y3? 5 minus y1, that is 7 plus x3, what is that? 4 into y1, 7 minus y2 is minus of minus. We are just substituted in the formula. Now, simplify this. That becomes half mod minus 6 minus 5 is minus 11 into 5 becomes plus 55. This is 55 5 minus 7 is minus 2 into minus 1 becomes plus 2, and this is 13 fourths 52. So, that becomes how much? 52 plus 2 becomes 54, 54 plus 55 becomes 109. So, 109 by 2 square units. This is the area of the triangle ACD. In the same way, I will be finding area of the triangle, which one? This shaded region, that is ABC. So, again the same formula. What is that B point is given? Minus 4 minus 5. Now, this one I will take as x1 y1, this I will take as x2 y2, this I will take as x3 y3. Okay. Is that clear? Now, coming to this one, substituting half mod formula, I am writing again y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. We will have to just substitute. So, that becomes half mod x1. What is that x1? Nothing but minus 5 into y2. What is that y2? Minus 5 minus y3. What is that? That becomes plus 6 plus x2. What is that? Minus 4. y3. What is the y3? Minus 6 minus y1. What is that? Minus 7 plus x3. What is that x3? Minus 1 into y1, that is 7 minus y2 plus 5. So, simplify this. 6 minus 5 is 1, 1 into minus 5 becomes minus 5. This is minus 13, minus 13 into minus 4 becomes plus 52, 13 4 is 52. So, that becomes 52. Then 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 into minus 1 becomes minus 12. So, 52 minus 12 is 40, 40 minus 5 is 35. So, this becomes 35 by 2 square units. Now, the main question is, so up to here we have done using area of the triangle formula only. So, if you want to give area of the triangle formula separately, he will be giving for 4 marks or else 2 marks, it depends. Now, this problem is he asked to find the area of the quadrilateral, means it is a big one wherein we need to first find the area of this shaded region, then this shaded region, then find the total. So, total area. So, area of the quadrilateral becomes quadrilateral ABCD is equal to this area plus this area. So, that becomes 109 by 2 plus 35 by 2. So, what is LCM? 2. So, what is 109 plus 35? That becomes 144 by 2. That becomes 72 square units. Is that clear? Once again, just draw the quadrilateral properly. This is one triangle and this is one triangle. We know how to find the area of the triangle, find the area of this shaded region, find the area of this shaded region, add these two, that becomes the area of the total quadrilateral ABCD. It's so simple as that. Clear? Now, coming to the next question. The next question is,
Hello students, myself Sunil Kumar Badal. I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Here at K. Venkanna classes, I teach chemistry. So, right now I know you all are busy with your board exam preparation, but let me ask you a question. Suppose you want to be a cricketer. Who would you choose your coach, a cricketer or a wrestler? Answer is definitely cricketer. So, in the same way here, we are the group of IITians, NITian and doctor. So, if you really want to crack or get a seat into IIT, NIT or any top medical colleges, come here and join.
question number 15 carries 4 marks and is given in the year March 2018. The question is like this: find the points of trisection of the line segment joining the points this and this. Points of trisection, as I told you, this is the line joining A, let us suppose minus 2 comma 1, B 7 comma 4. So, these two are the points is given. Find the points of trisection. Points of trisection means a point divides line joining P in the ratio 2:1 and a point Q divides in the ratio Q divides in the ratio 1:2, then these 2 points are called as points of trisection. So, I need to find P divides the line joining AB in the ratio 2:1. I have taken 2:1, let us suppose. So, this becomes m:n. We already seen the section formula. What is that section formula? I am writing here. So, P can be taken as P x comma y. I am writing the formula mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So, what is this point P? P is dividing the line joining AB in the ratio 2:1, let us suppose. So, this is the formula 2:1. So, m is 2 and n is 1. A is nothing but x1 y1, B is nothing but x2 y2. Just substitute in the formula. So, that becomes I am getting P point. So, what is m? 2. What is x2? x2, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So, that is 7 plus n is how much? 1 into x1. What is x1? Minus 2. Put the brackets, that is minus 2 by m plus n. 2 plus 1 becomes 3. In the same way, substitute here m, that is 2 into y2. What is y2? Nothing but 4 plus n1 into y1. What is 1? That becomes 2 plus 1. So, simplify this. 7 2s 14, 14 minus 2 is 12, this is 12 by 3 comma 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 by 3 is 3. This becomes the point P. This is one of the point of trisection. Now, coming to the second point Q. Q divides, I am writing here, Q divides the line joining AB in the ratio 1:2. Now, this becomes m and this becomes n. The points x1 y1 will be same. Now, I am getting this point Q. I already got P point which divided AB in the ratio 2:1. Now, I am finding Q which divides AB in the ratio 1:2. So, again substitute the formula Q is equal to same formula. What is the formula? I am again writing mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Just substitute in the formula. What is m, n, x1, y1 and x2, y2? Substituting, Q becomes m is 1, x2. What is that x2? This is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. That is 7 plus n, that is 2 into x1. x1 is minus 2. Put the brackets by 1 plus 2 comma m is 1, y2. What is y2? 4 plus n1, n is 2 into y1. What is y1? 1 divided by what? 1 plus 2. Simplify this, that becomes 7 minus 4 is 3, 3 by 3 is 1 and this is 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 by 3 is 2. So, this becomes Q point. These two points P, how much is P? This is 7 2s 14, 14 minus 2 is 12, 12 by 3 is how much? 4. Directly I can write as 12 by 3 which is 4. So, P is 4 comma 3 and Q 1 comma 2 are the points of trisection. See, once again I am telling you, based on points of trisection means dividing a line either in the ratio 1:2 or 2:1. Those are called as, we will be getting 2 points, one is P and one is Q. P divides in the ratio 2:1 and Q divides in the ratio 1:2, or else I can take like this, P divides in the ratio 1:2 or Q divides in the ratio 2:1. Either way we can take, and compulsory I am telling you, this year also we will be getting a points of trisection based question for this academic year for 4 marks I am telling you, the most important one. Thank you everyone.